Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to unblock pop-ups on Mac. So first of all, open the Safari browser on your MacBook. Once Safari is open, from the top left corner, click on Safari. A drop-down menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, click on Settings. A new settings panel will pop up on your screen. Here, from the top menu, find and open the Websites tab. Now in this tab, look from the left sidebar pop-up windows. Once you find, click on it. On the right side, you will now see the pop-up settings for Safari. At the bottom right corner, you will find the option called When Visiting Other Websites. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. Now select Allow if you want Safari to unblock pop-ups for all websites. Once selected, Safari will start allowing pop-up windows on those websites. And that's it. This is how you can unblock pop-ups on Mac using Safari. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.